Hello students, welcome to Sai Study Center. Today we are going to learn about covalent bonds. Covalent bond is a bond which form when electrons are shared between two atoms. So sharing of electron creates covalent bond. In this covalent bond there is single bond, double bond and triple bond will be formed. Now we are going to see about how single bond will be formed. So for a formation of a single bond we are taking the atom of hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1 and the electronic configuration also 1. It is a that is incomplete orbital of this. So H cannot exist in nature alone. So when we draw the Lewis dot structure, it will give H with 1 electron. So we know that in the outermost orbit to be filled in the series of 2, 8 and on. So here instead of 2, it is having an incomplete orbital filling of only 1. So in the nature, one hydrogen atom immediately bond with the other hydrogen atom only by sharing of electron. See, this hydrogen atom with a single electron, incomplete. Another hydrogen atom with a single electron, this is also incomplete. These two hydrogen electrons are bonding together by covalent, sharing their 1 electron of each. That consider one hydrogen will have 2 electron in their outermost. Likewise, this hydrogen also will have 2 electron in their outermost. So, both the hydrogen atom are sharing their 1 electron each. They are sharing a single pair of electron and they are existing in the nature as H2. So, thus pairing of single, that is sharing of a single pair of electron constitute single bond. Now, we are going to see about double bond. For the double bond formation, we are going to consider oxygen atom. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Their electronic configuration is 2, 6. So 2 is completely filled orbital cation, so you can omit. Only your incomplete orbital is 6. Oxygen required 2 more electron to make into a completely filled orbital. When we represent this in a Lewis dot structure, so 2, 4, 6 electrons will be placed here and 2 electrons are required to place here to make this as a completely filled atom. Now in the nature, oxygen won't exist in O. It will automatically combine with the another oxygen in the atmosphere. So these two oxygens will combine together and they will share the 2 electrons in their outermost, because they are having 6 electrons in their outermost orbit. Among the 6, 2 electrons each will share to form a completely filled. For example, if you see this alone, the other side, right hand side of yourself, the atom will have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. Now also this is having 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. So 2 pair of electrons shared by the oxygen atom. So electron, 1 single bond, another 1 single bond. So we are represent this as a O double bond O. 2 pairs of electron sharing creates here a double bond. So we are writing this as a O2. Now we are going to see the triple bond formation. For the formation of triple bond, we are going to consider with the nitrogen as an example. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Electronic configuration is 2, 5. So we know that 2 is completely filled, omitted. Only we are going to have this 5 in our Lewis dot structure. So here I am represent this dot as a empty one. These are the unfilled electrons. So in the nature, nitrogen combines with another one nitrogen atom and they will share 3 electrons each, because they have in outermost orbits 5 electrons. So among that 5 electrons, each nitrogen atom will share 3 electrons each, that is 6 electrons, 3 pairs of electrons. So when they share this 3 pairs of electrons, they will form triple bond. So N triple bond N. In the nature, nitrogen will combine with another one nitrogen and they will share 3 pairs of electrons to form the triple bond.